Hi there, this is my lock, and this is a Master Lock S31. It's the last of my Master Lock LOTO locks. It's got pretty good bidding. You can see it's not one I've picked before because it doesn't have the green dot. I've picked it before, but it's not one I've picked before for LOTO Lock Tuesday. So this being LOTO Lock Tuesday, we'll give this one a try. So essentially it's the same core as the 410, just a slimmer body, a stainless steel shackle rather than a hardened steel, which is also slimmer. Let's see if we can use a slimmer pick. So there we go, that click there. I think we've dropped into a bit of a falset. So looking for counter rotation. Not finding it up the front. I think I've lost the falset, easing off. I think we caught it back again. That was pin 2. Three, and we are open. So yeah, I mean, I do like these LOTO locks, especially getting them into the falset can be a little bit not so pleasant, but once they're in that falset, the feedback from the spools is just lovely. So yeah, I've always had slightly mixed feelings about these LOTO locks. They are nice, really nice spool feedback, but yeah, a little bit crunchy and a little bit. It can be a little bit to try and get them to that point. So yeah, check out the description below for a link to Pocket Women's channel and also to the Sadistic Pickers channel. Go check them out for more LOTO Lock Tuesday videos, and of course you can always click on the hashtag, and that will give you a whole lot more LOTO Lock Tuesday videos to watch. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.